Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah from New Catholic Mission School Jhabwa, and today's video is for class 11th chapter 2 relation and function subject maths. So the name of chapter is relation and functions, but before discussing about this chapter relation and function, we first discuss about some basics of relations and functions. So first thing for relations and functions is ordered pair. What is ordered pair? If A and B are two elements listed in a specific order, they form an ordered pair, which is written as A comma B. So this is called ordered pair. In class 9th, 10th also we write the coordinates in this way. So examples of this ordered pair is 1, 2, AB, XY, minus 1, 0. So this is the way to write the ordered pair. This first element is called abscissa and second is called ordinate. So this is called ordered pair. Now the second thing is Cartesian product of two elements, two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. What is Cartesian product? Product means multiplication of two sets. So A and B are two non-empty set. A and B are two non-empty sets. Then the set of all ordered pairs AB, where A belongs to A, the element A belongs to set A and element B belongs to set B, then product of A and B is called Cartesian product of AB. Okay, and it is written as A into B or A cross B. So the product of two sets is written as A cross B, and this is called Cartesian product of two sets. This Cartesian product and ordered pair we use in exercise 2.1. Therefore these two are important for first exercise. Okay. Now some important points, that if A is equals to phi, set A equals to phi or set B equals to phi, then A cross B equals to phi. Okay. Second, this is first, this second, if A not equals to phi and B not equals to phi, then A cross B is also not equals to phi. It means if A is a set which is not null set and B is also a set which is not null set, then the cross or Cartesian product of A and B is also not equals to null set. Now third is, if A cross B equals to B cross A in general, it means generally A cross B is not equals to B cross A. It means product of A and B and product of B and A is not equal in general, but in special cases or in some cases it may be equal. A cross B equals to B cross A. So in general these are not equal. Then fourth is, if A equals to B, A and B are two sets which are equal, then A cross B is expressed as A square or B square, because we write A into A, which is called A square. So these are 4 points which are important for exercise. Now exercise 2.1, question number 1. Exercise 2.1, question number 1 is, if x by 2 plus 1, x by 3 plus 1 and y minus 2 by 3 and equals to 5 by 2, 5 by 3 and 1 by 3. These are given. If x by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 by 3 is equals to 5 by 3 and 1 by 3, then find the values of x and y. We have to find the values of this x and y. So first element is equals to this first element. So x by 3 plus 1 equals to 5 by 3 and y minus 2 by 3 equals to 1 by 3. So x by 3 equals to 5 by 3 minus 1, or x by 3, we take LCM as 3. So 5 minus 3, 3 cancel by 3, so x equals to 2, value of x equals to 2. Similarly y equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So y equals to 3 LCM 1 plus 2, y equals to 3 by 3, which is 1. So the value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. Now next question, question number 2. If a set A has 3 elements, set A has 3 elements and set B is also having 3 elements, but the elements are 3, 4, 5. So find the number of elements in A cross B. So A has 3 elements and B has also 3 elements, 3, 4, 5. So elements of A cross B are 3 into 3, that is 9 elements. So in A cross B there is 9 elements. Now third question. There are two sets given, G is given as 7, 8 and H is given as 5, 4 and 2. We have to find the value of G cross H. Okay, we have to find the value of G cross H. So first we write the elements of G, 7, 8 cross 5, 4, 2. Now Cartesian multiplication or Cartesian product of two sets. So 7 and 5, we take this 7 and 5. So this is first ordered pair, 7, 4, this is second ordered pair, and 7, 2, third ordered pair. Now 8, 5, 8, 4 and 8, 2 are another 3 ordered pairs. So the product of G and H is 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. Similarly, we have to find H cross G. So first we write elements of H, that these are 5, 4, 2 cross elements of G, 7, 8. So the Cartesian product is 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7 and 2, 8. So this is the Cartesian product of H cross G. So this is called Cartesian product of two sets GH and HG. Now question number 5. In question number 5 there is one set given, that is A. Set A is given as -1 and 1, and we have to find the value of, find A cross A cross A. It means triple Cartesian product, triple product of one set. So first we find Cartesian product of two sets, that is -1 1 into -1 1. So -1 is the first ordered pair, -1 and 1 is the second ordered pair, 1 minus 1 is third ordered pair, and 1 1 is fourth ordered pair. So this is called A cross A. Now we have to find A cross A cross A. A into A into A, so A cross A into A. Value of this is -1 minus 1, -1 1, 1 minus 1 and 1 1 cross set A, -1 1. Now product of this set into this set. So elements of this set is -1 minus 1 multiply with this. So the new set is -1 minus 1 as it is, and this -1. So this is first ordered pair. Now -1 minus 1 1. Now this -1 1 minus 1, -1 1 1, then 1 minus 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 1. Now ordered pair by this and this. So 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1 and 1 1 1. So these are 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ordered pairs is the answer of A cross A cross A. Okay. So this is called triple Cartesian product of set. Now next question is question number 6. A cross B is given. In question number 6, A cross B is given as AX, AY, BX and BY. AX, AY, BX and BY. We have to find the value of A and B. So first here A set, therefore first elements are the elements of set A. So A and B are the elements of set A, and second elements are of set B. So this is called question number 6. Now question number 7, there are 3 sets given, A, B, C and D. 4 sets are given. A equals to 1 2, B equals to 1 2 3 4, C equals to 5 6, and set D is equals to 5 6 7 8. So first we have to find A cross B intersection C equals to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, we have to find this equals to this. So first we take LHS. For LHS, first we find B intersection C. B intersection C is of chapter 1 sets intersection. So in intersection we take only common elements of both sets. So this B set is 1 2 3 4 and C set is 5 6. There is no any common element in B and C. So the intersection of B and C is phi, null set or empty set. Now A cross B intersection C. A is 1 2 and cross phi. So product of set A into phi is phi. So LHS is phi. Now RHS. For RHS, first we find A cross B, value of A cross B. Set A is 1, 2 and set B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So A cross B, one ordered pair of 1 with this. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. These are 4 ordered pairs for this 1 and 4 ordered pairs for 2. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 4. So these are 8 ordered pairs for A cross B. And now we have to find value of A cross C. A cross C, value of A is 1, 2 and value of C is 5, 6. So ordered pairs are 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5 and 2, 6. These are 4 ordered pairs for A cross C. Now we have to find A cross B, A cross B intersection A cross C. So value of A cross B is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4 and value of A cross C is 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. So there is no common element in A cross B and A cross C. You saw that these are 8 ordered pairs and these 4 ordered pairs. No element or no ordered pair is common in this 2, A cross B and A cross C. Therefore, intersection of this A cross B and A cross C is phi. So LHS is phi, RHS is also phi. Therefore, these two are equal. Now second question of this exercise 2.1, question number 7, second part. A cross B is a subset of B cross D. So we find first A cross B. A cross B 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 4. These are ordered pairs of A cross B. Now we have to find A cross C. A cross C. Okay. So A cross C. Elements of A are 1, 2 and elements of C, set C are 5, 6. So ordered pair is 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5 and 2, 6. Similarly, we have to find B cross D. B cross D. So B and D, elements of B are 1, 2, 3, 4 and elements of D, set D are 5, 6, 7, 8. So ordered pair for this is 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. Then 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 7, 3, 8. 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7 and 4, 8. These are the ordered pairs for B cross D. Now what we have to find? A cross C is subset of B cross D. So A cross C have these 4 ordered pairs and B cross D is having 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12 and 16 ordered pairs. So is AC is a subset of BD? Yes. Why? Because 1, 5 is the element of this BD, 1, 6 is also element of BD, 2, 5 and 2, 6 are also elements of BD. Therefore, BD is a bigger set and AC is the subset of BD. Okay. So the answer is yes. AC is subset of BD. Now next question is, let A and B are two sets such that Na is equals to 3 and Nb equals to 2, and if x1, y2 and z1 are in A cross B, are the elements of A cross B, given as these 3 are the elements of A cross B and Na has 3 elements, means set A have 3 elements and set B is having 2 elements. Therefore A and B, we have to find the elements of A and B. So these are the ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. Therefore A is having elements x, y and z, and B is having elements 1, 2. So this A set has 3 elements x, y, z, and B set has element 2, 1 and 2. Now the last question of this 2.1 exercise, question number 10. The question is, the Cartesian product A into A cross A has 9 elements, among which are found -1, 0 and 0, 1. So there are, A cross B is having 9 elements. Out of this, 2 elements are given, -1, 0 and 0, 1. These 2 ordered pairs are given. So find the values of set A. There are 2 elements, -1, 0, and this is also having 0, 1. So there are 3 elements of set A. Okay, -1, 0 and 1. These are the elements of set A, and we have to find A cross A. It means Cartesian product of A cross A, -1, 0, 1 cross -1, 0, 1. So Cartesian product is ordered pairs, -1, -1, -1, 0, -1, 1, 0, -1, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 1, -1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are the ordered pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ordered pairs for A cross A. Okay. So this is all about exercise 2.1. Okay, thank you.